Welcome to our tutorial on registering an OASIS using class schedule search. Today, we're going to walk through the process of finding and registering for courses. First, visit My USF and log in using your net ID and password. Once you log in, go to My Resources and click on OASIS. In OASIS, you will be able to view your registration time and check for any holds, search for available classes, register for courses, and view your schedule. Before attempting to register, you should check for your registration time and any holds that could prevent you from registering. In the main menu, click on Student, then click on Registration and Registration Status. Select the registration term and click Submit. On this screen, you can review your registration time, holds, student status, academic standing, home campus, residency status for tuition purposes, as well as credits earned and curriculum information. If you have holds in your account, you'll still be able to search for courses and plan your semester out, but you will not be able to register for those courses until the holds are cleared with the appropriate office. After ensuring that your registration time has begun and that you do not have any holds, the next step in the process is to search for courses using the class schedule search. In the student menu, click Registration, then click Class Schedule Search. Select the term you're registering for, then click Submit. In the class schedule search, you will find all the available courses in the term you selected. To start finding courses, you must first select a subject. If the subject is unknown, click the first subject listed, hold the Shift key, scroll down, and click on the last subject listed. This will perform an open search. You can also use the Control key to select multiple options in any of the criteria boxes. If you're on a mobile device, these criteria will show up as drop-down menus. You can also filter for courses by course number, title, schedule type, instructional method, credit range, campus, course level, part of term, instructor, session, attribute type, as well as the start and end time and days the courses are offered. To only view online courses, select all the off-campus options in the campus criteria box. If you would like to view in-person courses, select the campus where you would like to attend the course. However, if you want to keep your options open, select the All option. Today, I want to look for Mac 1105 classes, so I will select the Mac subject and enter 1105 in the course number box. Once you select all the criteria, click Class Search at the bottom of the screen. Now that you see your search results, you will find the following information for each in-person class: the course title, CRN, subject, course number, and section number at the top. Then you will see any notes regarding the class, the term, the registration dates, course level, campus, instructional method, credit hours, and meeting times, days, location, and instructor. Online-only courses will include the same information as in-person courses, with the addition of a 100% online note. And instead of a campus or class location, you will see off-campus or off. Once you have chosen your preferred class, write down the CRN. This 5-digit code is what you will use to register for the courses here in OASIS. When you are done looking at the results, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Return to Previous. To perform another search, click Reset at the bottom of the screen. This will clear all your criteria selections and you can start over. Now, let's take a look at PSY 2012 classes offered online. I like this first one listed, so I'm going to write down the CRN for this one as well. I'm all done looking at courses, so I will return to previous and make my way back to the registration menu by clicking on Sitemap on the top right of the screen, then clicking Registration. Now that you have your CRNs, you are ready to register for courses. In the registration menu, click on Register, Add, or Drop Classes. On the Add or Drop Classes page, scroll down to the Add Classes Worksheet section. Here is where you will enter the CRNs you wrote down during your class schedule search. Enter each CRN in a separate box, then click Submit Changes. The classes you enter will show up under the Current Schedule section of the Add or Drop Classes page. This means you have successfully registered for the courses listed. If you made a mistake and need to switch out a course, find the CRN to the replacement, enter it in a field below, then click on the Action drop-down menu of the course you want to switch and select Drop. Then click Submit Changes. After registering for your courses, you can check your weekly and detailed schedule in OASIS. Let's start with Week at a Glance. In the student menu of OASIS, click Registration, then click Week at a Glance. The schedule will automatically show the current week. To view a week in the next term, enter a date within that term on the Go To box on the top right of the screen. Then click Submit. In-person courses will show up under each day of the week at the meeting times. Online-only courses will be listed at the bottom under the Courses Without Assigned Meeting Times header. To view the student detail schedule, you can click the Student Detail Schedule link at the top of the Week at a Glance schedule, or you can make your way back to the student menu, click Registration, and click on Student Detail Schedule. Here, you will be able to see the total credit hours you register for and all the details for each course. If you have any questions regarding the registration process, visit usf.edu/registrar/register or send an email to asktheregistrar@usf.edu.